everyone. In this video, we discussed all important interview questions in topic of input from keyboard in Java. First question is, what are the different ways to take input from keyboard? Solution is, following are the way for reading users input from console in Java. First point is using scanner class. Second is using buffer reader class. Third is using console class. Fourth is using data input stream class. 5 point is using command line arguments. Second number question is, what is the syntax to take input from keyboard by using buffer reader? Solution is, buffer reader input equal to new buffer reader, new input stream reader system.in. Third number question is, what is the syntax to take input from keyboard by using scanner? Solution is, scanner input equal to new scanner system.in. Fourth number question is, what is difference between next and next line method in scanner? Solution is, next can read the input only till the space. Next line reads input including space till the end of line. 5 number question is, what is the syntax to take input from keyboard by using console? Solution is, console input equal to system.console. 6 number question is, what is the syntax to take input from keyboard by using data input stream? Solution is, data input stream input equal to new data input stream system.in. 7 number question is, what is the requirement of in object? Solution is, object in is used to take input from console. 8 number question is, which exception in throw by read line method of buffer reader? Solution is, method read line throws java.io exception. 9 number question is, in which class in object is present? Solution is, in is an object type of input stream abstract class and present in system class. 10 number question is, what is command line arguments? Solution is, the arguments which are accepted by main method in Java known as command line arguments. 11 number question is, what is the difference between console and java.io.console? Solution is, console is a predefined static method present in system class which is responsible to return the object of the java.io.console class. Java.io console is a predefined class which is used to take input from keyboard. 12 number question is, how to read a password from keyboard? Solution, read password is a predefined method of console class which is used to take input a password. 13 number question is, how to use printf method of console? Solution is, method printf can be used by system class or console class. Like example, system.out.print double quote open %s double quote close hello console underscore object dot printf %d x. 14 number question is, what is the use of format method of console class? Solution is, the format method of Java console class is used to write a formatted string to this console output stream using the specific string format and arguments. 15 number question is, What will happen when we use next line method just after next int? Solution is the problem is that after entering the numerical value, the first input dot next line is skipped and second input dot next line is executed. 16 number question is how to read a character from keyboard. Solution: to read a character we use next dot character at 0. Next function return the next token word in the input as string and character 80 function returns the first character in that string. 17 number question is difference between buffer reader and a scanner. Solution is a scanner is a much more powerful until than buffer reader. It can press the user input and read an int, short, byte, float, long and double apart from string. On the other hand, buffer reader can only read string in Java. Second is buffer reader has a significantly large buffer 8 KB than a scanner is 1 KB, which means if you are the reading long string from a file, you should be buffer reader, but for short input and input other than string, you can use a scanner class. Third point is buffer reader is older than a scanner. It's present in Java from JDK 1.1 onward, but a scanner is only introduced by JDK 1.5 release. 18 number question is how to read 100 digits number from keyboard. Solution is using big integer class. 19 number question is which performance is better, a scanner or buffer reader and why? Solution is buffer reader is a lot faster than a scanner because it buffers the character. 20 number question is how to replace system.in with lit. Solution: java.io.input stream lit equal to system.in java until.scanner sc equal to new java.until.scanner lit. We discussed all important questions. Thank you.